You want to be friends? I'll make you a bracelet. If you're trying to grow your followers, if you're trying to grow your store, if you're trying to grow your community, and you're trying to grow yourself, you need to make connections. I just want to share all of these awesome people with everybody else. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to make a mix. This is my community of friends. This is your community of friends. These are our stragglers. We'll just set them in there because they might come back. Sometimes people are in a very bad mood. They're feeling quite dark. I want people to know anywhere you see a Kenderheart, there's light and there's hope. So we erase the darkness. So use your hashtags, make your community, grow yourself, your brand, your image. Self-promotion is self-love. You don't need to be perfect before you post. If you want to be part of the whole seed bead adventure, I'll send you that. Enjoy, make your own bracelets. Make your own mix. That would be super cool. I'd love to see other people make a mix.